Attorney General Josh Kaul was in La Crosse today as part of a statewide series to talk about student safety.
News 19's Tate Wisey takes a look at some of what they learned.
In an effort to enhance school safety across Wisconsin, Attorney General Josh Kaul and Trish Kilpin, Executive Director of the Wisconsin Department of Justice's Office of School Safety, met with students from Crosse Central to discuss that very issue.
The more that we can do to keep our schools safe, the better, and that involves a layered approach. And part of the way we gather information and we learn more about that is by hearing from people, and that includes teachers and principals and superintendents. And we have a lot of opportunity to hear from them, but it also includes hearing from the students.
This gathering marks the first in a series of student engagement discussions taking place across the state this fall. The goal of these discussions is to hear directly from the students about their thoughts on school safety.
The first thing we talked about was vaping, because that's been a big issue in our school and several others. We also talked about bullying, cyberbullying, discriminatory violence. How can we come and address these problems before they become big issues?
In 2020, Attorney General Kaul started a program called Speak Up, Speak Out. It gives students across the state a way to submit tips to faculty if they have any concerns about a fellow student.
In cases where there's targeted violence, it's often students who first learn that a student may be considering engaging in an act of violence. Giving them the opportunity to report that and empowering them can help prevent violence before it happens.
Engaging in discussions like this gives students something they truly value: the opportunity to have their voices heard.
As a senior, I should be focusing on writing college essays, not worrying about what I'm going to use as a defense item in my classroom. Feels like nobody hears us sometimes, and seeing that groups do care and that having everybody come here today and talk to us about it, it is really comforting.
Reporting in La Crosse, I'm Tate Wisey, WXOW News 19.
And these student engagement discussions will continue throughout the fall in various districts.
And these discussions will be helpful, and they'll be held in the Office of School Safety. They'll help them shape its policies and strategies moving forward.